Hi, I'm Sally, and this is a short video to talk through how do we build our new self-identity and rediscover who we are following a breakup or a divorce. And these are my 3 top tips, having worked with hundreds of people going through that process. So top tip number 1, just try stuff. Try stuff. Make it an experiment. Oh, there's a local class in pottery and ceramics. I'd never thought of pottery and ceramics before, but just give it a go. Get out there and experiment with the whole range, be it sports or music or something creative, and just see how you feel from having tried those things. Travel and explore. And it doesn't have to be far-flung, opposite side of the globe kind of travel. What's it just around the corner in your neighbourhood that you've never yet visited? We sometimes allow our communities and the periphery zones of our communities to kind of become background noise. You know, we don't visit that museum that's in the next town along, or the river with the boat tours that's in the next town down or city over. What's a short train hop or bus ride away from you? Get on the bus and go and try it. And just see what starts to light you up, what inspires you. But getting out also brings us a new perspective, and we're amongst people and it fills us with energy, and we start to remember who we are. Learn. Get that thinking brain back in gear. What are your passions? What are the things that people can't stop you from learning, that doesn't feel like a chore? I know we're all different. For some people, some mathematical coding type thing might really excite them and make them feel passionate. For me, a little piece of my soul would die. I'm fascinated by the human psyche. I want to learn things to do with that. What is it? What speaks to you? What would you absolutely learn all day long if you had the money to just sit around and learn? And go and find a way, a webinar, a podcast, or anything, a workshop, and start learning again. And in those ways, you can really rediscover what lights that fire in your belly again. And you'll start to feel good about yourself because you're learning some new skills. Number 2, reflect, daydream, imagine your life out in the future. What any wildest dreams would bring you great joy and great happiness, and just allow yourself to dream about that. And then as you dream about that, start to consider, well then, what's important to me? If that dream lights me up, what does that tell me about myself? What things are important to me? And those are fundamentally your values. And then based on those daydreams and those values, start setting some goals. And then once you've got those goals, take one small step at least every single day. And the accomplishment of each of those small steps will bring you confidence, and you'll start to get that sense of purpose and meaning back in your life, which is your self-identity. And number 3, please be kind to yourself. Remember, it is a journey. No one's expecting you to suddenly flip a switch and have arrived at destination new you immediately, following a breakup or a divorce. It's a journey. It's an experiment. You're trying things on for size. You're learning yourself again. You're meeting yourself, maybe for the first time in decades. So just be really kind to yourself, okay? And accept the past for what it is. If possible, take the learnings from the experience that you've had and also allow them to give you confidence and to grow. One of my favorite authors, Brené Brown, if you've heard of her, she has a book called Rising Strong, which I absolutely love. She has an acronym that I love called AFGO, another freaking growth opportunity. And when we've been through a breakup or a divorce, as painful as that is, if we come at it with the right mindset, it can really be the making of us. This is a growth opportunity. You can really come to learn some things about yourself that launch you for the rest of your life. And then remember along the way to celebrate each and every small win. We're sometimes so busy looking at the mountain to climb that we forget to stop and take stock of how far we've come, and also the amazing view. So good luck. And enjoy the journey. And if you'd like some support on that journey of self-discovery, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.